Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA is currently following our wave count. It came down further. That was the expectation also from the last videos, that it would at least do one more low. Well, that happened, obviously crashed down together with the other coins, quite a dramatic move down. If this is the correct count, then the last wave down here is a very long wave 5. Yeah, if you remember from the previous videos, we gave it a subwave count here in yellow, and we said a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and one more low in a wave 5. And it seems like this wave 5 is getting extended. So if I go to the 1 hour chart, we see that a little bit better. So let me go to the 1 hour. There you go. I won't put the labels. Well, I can put the labels on actually, but the long move down looks like a third. So it's probably here a small 1, a 2, a 3. This looks very much at the moment like a wave 4 corrective structure, which would give us one more low at least. Okay, what you need to understand, I'm not telling you it is going to be one more low and then rally. What I'm telling you is that the structure would suggest at the moment at least one more low. They can always extend out further. And unless we have an impulse to the upside followed by a 3-wave pullback, which is large enough, you know, the move up impulse, which is large enough to suggest that it's actually, the trend is actually changing, I cannot confirm to you that the trend is changing. So the trend is clearly still down. It was absolutely correct to remain focused on the downside here over the recent weeks and months. I think at no point GALA did confirm to us in any way that a low was in. Also here, this was fairly clear that it was crystal clear it was a 3-wave structure. As I said, they can always follow through to the upside, but they should go down. And then as we had the triangle here, that worked out nicely. And what we now need to understand is, you know, what is the next support? Well, the problem is the very last support I had on this chart was anyway the 1.9 cent level, and that was reached. And we've been recovering a little bit since then, back above the 2 cent level, back above the 88.7 FIB level at 2.1 cent. However, it's not impulsive to the upside, at least not yet. So I can't confirm that the low is in. Problem is, if it makes here another low, then it will go below the January low or December low, which is at 1.55 cents. And going below that will obviously invalidate the direct upside pattern. Well, that will put it in a little bit of an area of uncertainty. It wouldn't necessarily be super bearish depending on when it can recover. Okay, at the moment, it's really all about understanding, do we see an impulse to the upside or not? And until then, it's a waiting game. And I'm just thinking about, you know, what could be the structure if this was just a correction to the upside, this move between December and January. And at this point, I would, to be honest, I would not be surprised if it makes another low at this stage anyway, because it did break below the 2.56 cent level. So if you remember correctly, what have we talked about? We've been talking about the 2.56 cent level and said if it breaks below that, it's likely going to make new bear market lows. As you can see, when it broke that level, that's really when the fear started. That's how important the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement levels are. The 78.6 Fib level matters. It really does. So at this stage, unless I see an impulse to the upside, I would expect it to break through and actually show us some kind of a bearish pattern, which would lead to new bear market lows. Now, below that 1.55 cent level, well, first of all, that is going to be next support anyway. What would be the structure then on the way down? It would have to be basically the last wave of this bear market, ideally, but it would have to be some kind of a diagonal, because the move down here is a 3-wave structure. The move that started in January, here a wave 1 to the downside, possibly as a diagonal, then a wave 2 to the upside. This could have been a wave 3. This could have been a wave 4 and also a wave 5. So the count is actually quite similar. It would just take it below the low. So it's a matter of waiting for a signal. As soon as I see a signal, I'll let you know. Support levels are 1.9 and 1.55 cents, and then we'll see if the bulls can produce a reversal. Yeah, so that's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.